Alright, so me and my sister won the raffle for these Yeezys, so we're just gonna go pick them up real quick. I have to go to a store and she go to another store, so it's gonna be very simple and quick. We are selling these shoes, by the way. We do not buy for ourselves. I mean, we could buy for ourselves, but we just don't. So yeah, if you're interested in some Yeezys, follow our Instagram page whenever we make one, and we will sell them to you guys. But yeah, so right now we're waiting on our shoes, you guys. I guess she did have some in this store. I forgot. I didn't know. So we got a 6.5, 2 sevens, another 6.5. No, we got 2 sevens. Oh, another 2 sevens and 2 sixes and 2 6 over here. So if you're interested in any of these Yeezys, we are selling them. Just comment down below and like this video. So I'm not back from the mall. I'm going to give you guys a look at these Yeezys. So right here we have the size 7 Yeezy Boost 350. So right now we have the box right here, the regular 350 Boost box. And let's just go ahead and open her up. It's nothing really different about the box. It's just like a regular box. And here they are, you guys. These are very nice. One color here, another color here, and a mesh here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at these. Just look at these. Oh my god, like a curl color inside. I don't think the camera gives it justice. I'm really amazed right now. Yep, should have got me a pair of these.